ba kailangan sumamba? Ba't ba kailangan mag-tithes? Ba't ba kailangan magbasa ng Bible? Hindi ko siya maintindihan, Lord. Bakit kailangan mag-forgive? Bakit kailangan mag-repent? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. Until it hits you. Until you see how God responds. Huwag kang magsawa na humakbang. Huwag kang magsawang manampalataya sa Diyos. Because one day, you will just see the goodness of the Lord being so abundant, exploding within your life, exploding within your family. Hindi kailanman babasagin ng Panginoon ang kanyang reputasyon. When He said it on His word, it shall happen to you. I declare to you and to your family, walang hindi makakaranas ng kabutihan ng Panginoon. You shall experience in the land of the living the goodness and the mercy of the Lord Almighty. As you walk with Him, He will give you strength. As you obey Him, you shall see miracles, breakthroughs upon your life. Because this is your God. And I proclaim to you, the Lord, your God, is able and even more than able na kayang gawin kung ano man ang niisip mo, whatever you ask Him, because your God is great.